Hi. So I'm going to share a testimony with you. It's a very long story, but I don't want to have a real long video here. I'm going to get to the point. There was a situation that happened with us. My son was he was done wrong, and long story short, the guy took my son to court. A sheriff came to my door and gave me this piece of paper. It had the name of the judge on it. After talking with several people, telling them who the judge was and whatever, and hearing stories from people who had been in front of that judge, she's a nightmare. She's very unfair, and no, you don't want her. We get to court that day. It was a completely different judge. It was actually a known judge. He's very fair. He's very good. And the outcome was pretty good. It was good. Everything came out good for my son. Real fair. He negotiated with my son. It's good. I came home and I had gotten the name of that judge off of this paper. I don't know these judges, so I couldn't have made it up. There is no name on this paper. It's gone. It's gone. It just said, now it says a judge, a justice court judge. If I hadn't seen the name on the paper, I wouldn't have went telling people about the judge. I can't just, make up a name if I never heard of it. It's not on here. God changed the wording on this sheet, and he took that lady's name off, and we got a better judge. A few days before court, I pulled one of my little scripture cards because I like their encouragement and I like to read them. I pulled out, "I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans for welfare and not for evil, to give you a future and a hope." And that's Jeremiah 29:11. The day of court, I pulled another card. "The Lord's plans stand firm forever. His intentions can never be shaken." Psalm 33:11. That was my confirmation that God was in control. He knew exactly how that court was going to come out, and he set it up exactly how he wanted it to go. When you're in a situation and it feels like there's no way out, there's nothing that can be done, he changed a legal document in my favor. He'll make a way. Is anything too hard for God? No. If you're in a situation and you feel like there's no way out, and you feel like, what could God possibly do? It is what it is. Believe him. Believe him, trust him, and see what he's going to do for you. Get on your knees, talk to him, tell him what you need. He already knows what you need before you ask him. Tell him what you need, tell him what you want, and just know. Read Joshua 1:9. Just know that he's with you, and he's going to fight for you. If God be for you, who's going to be against you? Nobody. Not even the courts were in control that day. He's got it. Just seek him, trust him, believe him, and he'll see you through. See you later.